y'all, this is our last derivatives video in the Calculus 1 series. Today we're talking about linear approximation. So just to motivate this concept, basically here I've drawn out a graph of a function and we have a specific point where the function has an easy defined value, right? At a, we know what f of a is, right? So let's say that near a, there's some other x value. And we want to know, for that x value, what the corresponding y value on the function is. But it's difficult to figure out whatever that is explicitly. And so we can approximate this using our a and our f of a. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to use tangent lines. So we are going to find the tangent line of the function at a, right? And then based off of that, we will find the value here, right? The value of our new x value on the tangent line. And we will say that that's probably pretty close to the y value that we're looking for, right? And so our linear approximation formula is basically it's our tangent line formula. So the linear approximation of f at a is going to be that f of x is approximately f of a plus f prime of a times x minus a. All right, so let's do an example. We want to approximate the square root of 1.1. Okay, so our function here, f of x is just the square root of x, right? So let's think about an easy a value that's close to 1.1. How about 1? If we let a equal 1, well, f of 1 is just 1. So that's an easy value we can choose. Now we are going to use our formula to find the linear approximation of this function at a equals 1. So f of x is approximately f of a, which is 1, plus f prime of 1 times x minus 1. So the one thing we're missing is f prime of 1. So we can rewrite the square root of x as x to the 1/2 power so that we can use the power rule when taking our derivative. So f prime of x is going to be 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 power. So plugging in 1 to that, we have f prime of 1 equals 1/2 times 1 to the negative 1/2 power. 1 to any power is 1, so this is just 1/2. So our linear approximation formula is f of x is approximately 1 plus 1/2 x minus 1. So let's plug 1.1 into this. F of 1.1 is going to be approximately 1 plus 1/2 times 1.1 minus 1. And so we can do this without a calculator pretty easily because 1.1 minus 1 is 0.1, which is the same as 1/10. 1/2 times 1/10 is going to be 1/20. So we end up with 21/20 as our approximate value for the square root of 1.1. So that's just an example of how we can apply linear approximation. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.